To be absolutely without physical fear may not be the highest courage. To shrink and quake, and yet stand at one's post may be braver still. So of success. It lies less in the attainment of some external end than in holding yourself to your purposes and ideals. For out of high loyalty and effort comes that intangible thing called character, which is no mere symbol of success, but success itself. I do not know what I shall find on out beyond the final fight. I do not know what I shall meet beyond the last barrage of night. Nor do I care, but this I know. If I but serve within the fold and play the game, I'll be prepared for all the endless years may hold. Life is a training camp at best for what may wait beyond the years. A training camp of toiling days and nights that lean to dreams and tears. But each may come upon the goal and build his soul above all fate, by holding an unbroken faith and taking courage for a mate. Is not the fight itself enough that man must look to some behest? Wherein does failure miss success if all engaged but do their best? Where does the victor's cry come in for the wreath of fame or laureled brow, if one he vanquished fought as well as weaker muscle would allow? If my opponent in the fray should prove to be a stronger foe, not of his making, but because the destinies ordained it so, if he should win and I should lose, although I did my utmost part, is my reward the less than his if he should strive with equal heart? Brave life, I hold, is something more than driving upward to the peak, than smashing madly through the strong and crashing onward through the weak. I hold the man who makes his fight against the raw game's crushing odds is braver than his brothers are who hold the favor of the gods. On by the skyline, faint and vague, in that far country all must know, no laurel crown of fame may wait beyond the sunset's glow. But life has given me the chance to train and serve within the fold, to meet the test and be prepared for all the endless years